so we've got 98% juice. We can probably turn on the LED just by 2 quick clicks on and off. That is the 2.4 amps out. Now if I go in one of the two here, it does show you each one of those. Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the RAVPower Xtreme series, and we have actually reviewed a few of the Xtreme series RAVPower battery packs. This one here comes in at a whopping 18,200 milliamps, has the iSmart technology for fast, safe charging. The model number is the RPPB26, and as you can see it's got a built-in LED, a 1 amp out, and then 2 iSmart ports as well. So this has got 3 USB ports. It also has a digital readout so we can keep track of battery juice. Now these iSmarts actually will balance the load appropriately up to 2.4 amps max between these two, and it'll do it smartly. So if your device doesn't need 2.4 amps, it'll dumb it down to like 1 amp or 1.5 amps just to get the right mix and do a fast and safe charge. So it's going to be efficient and it's going to do it correctly. So that's always good, and RAVPower is definitely a brand that is got quality behind them. They've been in the business for a while and they do it right, and I would definitely recommend safely charging your devices that you've invested so much money in, and doing that with confidence and reliability that RAVPower brings to the table. So here is what we get in the box. As you can see, we get a little user manual here on the device. You get 2 USB, kind of flat USB power cables. One, this is like maybe a foot, and then one that maybe is about 3 feet. So you've got a little options for some smaller and longer cables. And then you get the device itself, which is just a beast here. It's pretty good sized, but definitely has some power, you can tell, behind it. So this is going to be great for if you're a mobile traveler or whatnot, to actually have this with you in your bag and everything. So here are the specs. Again, the model number, the capacity we've already talked about, and then the input and output, and the DC, output 3 is 2.4 amps, output 2 1.5, and 1.1, or output 1 is 1.0. And again, here they are. Now I'll power this baby up just by clicking the button, and you can see that it is 98% charged. So we've got 98% juice. We can probably turn on the LED just by 2 quick clicks on and off. And of course, here's where we're going to charge the device. And again, we're showing 98% charge. Now we do got an out, so let's actually plug this in and see what we see on the digital readout here. And we're just going to use the short cable here, and we're just going to plug into that out. And let's grab a tablet. So we're going to actually grab the Samsung Galaxy S Tab here, and we're going to plug it in. Okay, and she starts charging. And now, I don't know, let's see if we can bring this up. Maybe I should have used the wrong cable, or a longer cable, but this actually says that it's got 5 volts and 1.5 amps out. So it's actually telling you what it is sending to your device. And this is one of the iSmart hubs. Now if I was just to take it and put it in the 1 amp, and you can see it says it's charging, and wow, it was almost dead at 2%. And and it does say 1 amp, but this tablet will actually handle a little bit bigger of a charge, so we're going to put it in the other bracket here. And now it says there's 2.4 amps out. So we're charging at 2.4 amps, and it is actually focused. Now I'm only on the one that's not iSmart, so it's only showing 1 readout, and that is the 2.4 amps out. Now if I go in one of the two here, it does show you each one of those, since it does activate the iSmart, which are kind of connected in their own right to balance the load, but it does show you what between the two it is putting output. So a really nice, cool charger that kind of reports on what it's doing. Not a lot of those do that. You have to buy a little device in the middle, a little USB kind of a voltage meter kind of thing for a USB. It kind of shows you what kind of amps and stuff it's putting into it. But that's built into this guy, and that is really, really cool. And that is why I wanted to feature this one, because it does have the iSmart technology and 18,000 milliamps of juice, but also it's going to report on it and show you what it's doing, and that is not really built into a lot of these external chargers these days. This is kind of one of those new things being done that they just keep improving these USB power banks just over and over and over. And again, you do have that LED light, which is kind of cool. Not the brightest, but it will come in handy in a pinch, and definitely something that is good to have on the device. The more the merrier when it comes to this kind of stuff, right? Anyway guys, check the show notes. I'll have a link where you can pick this up from RAVPower. Highly recommend it. Definitely cool. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and a subscription to the channel, and feel free to share the video. And as always guys, thanks for watching and have a good one.